Good girl. Hey guys, it's me Kenny, and today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Obviously this look, so let's get started. First, foundation. Powder. Beautiful. Now I'm doing eyeshadow. I'm doing this pretty bright pink right here. And I'm going to put it in the middle of my eye. Now I'm doing this really bright orange, this one. And then I'm going to outline of the pink. So now I'm doing this orangey yellow, sunlight, that one. I'm going to blend it out. Gold flower, pop! We're gonna put it right here and here. Now we're doing yellow, orange, and pink. Bronzer. I'm just putting it here and there. Now I'm going to be using some beautiful blush. I'm going to be using this color. Now I'm going to be doing some lipstick. Pink. Now I'm going to be... That's the end of the video, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, but you have to comment down below what you would like me to do in the next video. So yeah, bye! And
oh my goodness, cut your toenails, you. That was perfect.
okay, I'm gonna start. So shush. Shh. Who's there? I mean.